So far, you've seen me navigate from screen to screen, and I've done this without passing any parameters. But ultimately, we need the ability to pass data between screens because we need to know which tournament or which team we selected to get to the next screen. Let's take a look at navigation parameters now. I'm going to come in here to the teams page, and we're going to add some hard-coded data. So I've just added 3 hard-coded teams, and you see each team has an ID and a name. Now I'm going to go back to the teams HTML. Let's take out this hard-coded button. And on this first one, we're going to add an ng4, and we'll say let team of teams. So it's that teams array that you just saw me add to the teams component. Now in the item tapped method, we'll just add event and team. So the team we're passing as that second argument is the individual team as we're iterating through the array. And then instead of hard coding HC Elite for the team name, we'll say team.name. Now let's flip back to the teams page. And in this item tapped method, we'll add event and team. Now in this call to the push method, we're going to add team as the second parameter. And so that's going to be passed as a navigation parameter to the next page. So we're going to the team detail page. Let's open that up. And we're going to add nav params to the import statement. And we're also going to add it to what we're injecting into the controller. Let's add a team property. And inside the constructor, all we're going to do is we're going to say this.team equals this.navparams.data. And let's put a console.log statement so we can see what we're getting. Now for the team detail page, instead of just saying team detail, we're going to take that out and we're going to say team.name. So when we get to the team detail page, we should actually see the name of that team. Let's start over. So we go find a tournament, now find a team. Now you can see this time we have 3 teams because we have that hard-coded array in our TypeScript code. I'm going to click this last one for DC Thunder. And what we can see here is that we're on the team detail screen and we now see DC Thunder actually in the title. It's no longer just hard-coded to say team detail. Additionally, we can see over here in the nav params that we have this object that has a data property, and inside there's the team we passed as a navigation parameter. It had an ID of 3 and a name of DC Thunder. So we can pass any JavaScript object we want as nav params. You will use navigation parameters all the time in your Ionic apps. So this is a construct you want to make sure you understand very well.